Hey guys, it's PMHK here, obviously, and today we're going to be talking about one day only. Now, I got this package from one day only. It's something for the gaming corner, as actually one of you guys had guessed. But let me put this out of the way and let's jump into one day only so I can actually explain to you guys what one day only is now. So let's jump quickly to this website so I can speak a little bit about what one day only is and why I like one day only so much. So as I said, this package was purchased from one day only at a very nice price. I like cheap things, by the way, cheap things with good quality. So one day only is a website, it's a South African website where for 24 hours exactly they will have a lot of deals. This happens every day. So as you can see right up here, there is 1 hour left until all these deals that are in this website finish. So as soon as these ones finish, new ones will actually come and you'll be able to buy those ones. Now this specific item that's inside this box, which I'll show you guys just now, I bought it for around 300 Rand, but the original price of it was 700 Rand, so I got it at a good deal. Now this item will go to the gaming corner, which I'm actually building right in the corner in the living room. So let's see what deals they actually have today in this website. Now you can trust this website, it is legit. As you can see, I got my package, I think it took 4 days, if I'm not mistaken, 4 days to arrive. And shipping cost was really low. So let's see if they have anything nice in today's deals. I normally check this thing either if I'm still awake, I check it at midnight because that's when it actually put new deals for you to actually buy them, or I check in the morning when I wake up to see if there's anything interesting going on. I remember once I saw a couple of bags, nice bags on this website. I was indecisive if I'll buy or not buy, and I remember that by 10 o'clock in the morning all those deals were sold out. So if you see something in this website and like you feeling like you really want to buy it, I think you should just go ahead and buy it and don't even think twice about it, because most of the good deals in this website sell out very fast. So browsing quickly, I see a Sonos speaker here, 26% off. If you guys don't know, I use Sonos in the living room. I actually have 3 Sonos speakers. I have 2 Sonos Play 1 and I have 1 Sonos Play bar, which is sound bar, and the quality is really good and can actually be compared to the quality of the music that it's produced by the Apple HomePod, which I also have in the living room, which is going to be part of the gaming corner. But you guys are going to see that on the video when that video is up on the channel anytime soon. So this speaker, good price, 3,200 from 4,300. As you can see, these deals are really something. So I don't really see anything interesting or anything that I am interested in buying. So yeah, this is one day only. I just wanted you guys to see where I got this from, and that I actually really love this website. So let's just go to the end of the page just for you guys to see what's going on and see a couple of other stuff that I actually have. As you can see, this Swiss mobile gear, you save 57% at the retail price of 300. Now they're selling it for 130 Rand. So yeah, you guys can see, legit website. You guys can check it out. I'm gonna have a link to the website down in the description, or you guys can just go to onedayonly.co.za and you guys will stumble across the website. So let's jump into what's actually in this box. Let me put my laptop away and we're going to do a quick unboxing and check what's inside. So let's cut it up. I actually just got a notification, somebody like a photo. I also made a video about this watch. I think it went live 2 days ago. Go check it out. Or I'm gonna have it on the iCards somewhere. I'm gonna get this thing wrong again, somewhere here, or maybe here. But anyways, let me show you guys what I got for the gaming corner. Now I've been looking for this guy for a while now. I saw a physical store at the mall that were selling this guy, but when I went there and buy, they were sold out. Hopefully it's the actual one that I saw there. It's a, I want to see you guys guess right now in the comments down below what do you think this is, and you have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it's a Pac-Man Ghost. This is a classic, and I decided to get this guy because it lights, as you can see, and you can change into different colors. And I just thought that it would look good to put on that place there where the gaming corner is, just to give it a little bit of life. Now let's just jump inside the box quickly. You have USB cable. This is a USB to micro USB, and you have an instruction manual. We don't read these. And you probably now have the actual item, and it's the Pac-Man Ghost. Let's see. Yeah, this is the actual one that I saw them selling at the store that I just mentioned. And one thing I like about this guy is that you can use even a power bank to power it. And unfortunately, something that I don't like about it is that you need continuous power for this guy to work. So, which means that this guy needs to be always connected for it to work. Let's see if it's going to work connected on the computer, but it should. So let me just undo these cables here. And actually, it's what cable? I don't know what I'm saying. This cable. Undo the cabling and plug it in right here. As you guys can see, plug it in. Can you guys even see? Plug it in right here, and it's plugged in. Now I'm going to connect it to my laptop with the new YouTube stickers, and it's plugged in. Okay, I'm guessing it's off at the back. Yeah, it's off now. Moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. It's not working. Okay, it's on. I don't know why it's not working. No, don't tell me this thing is broken. Oh, it wasn't plugged properly, so I just had to push the USB cable inside properly. Alright, now you can see it's on. I don't know if you guys can see there that it's on. It's changing color. As you can see now, it's a little bit blue. Is this blue or green? It's a little bit green. Now it's going towards white. I think this is the cycle that goes through all the colors. You can see now it's going purple color, and yeah, also because of the lights that I have here that I'm using to shoot the video, they are so bright that they are overshadowing this guy. But I'm going to have a B-roll right now. As you guys can see, these are the different colors that this guy lights on. I hope you guys actually can see it properly. Anyways, this is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a like, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Before we forget, before you go anywhere, we have a giveaway. We have a video that reached the requirements to a giveaway, so I'm gonna be picking the winner right here and right now. So let me jump back into my computer with the new YouTube stickers and let me pick a giveaway winner. So the video which the giveaway is in is the Will It Work in Africa Apple HomePod. If you didn't watch that video yet, make sure you go check out that video and check out how the Apple HomePod actually works around here. So I'm going to be picking the winner from the comment section. What I normally do is I go to the random comment speaker page or website. Okay, so I've entered the URL. Now I'm going to press random, pick a random winner, start raffle and pick a random winner. So I'm going to press may the best man win or woman win. So start. And the winner is the slow-mo master. Who is the slow-mo master? I'm guessing this guy is not in Africa, so I'm gonna have to pick another winner. I'm sorry, slow-mo master. Let me try and pick another winner. So pick another winner and go. Who's the lucky second winner? And the winner is Estienne Carton. I don't think I saw this comment on this video, but the winner of the giveaway is Estienne Cartons. Estienne Cartons, get in contact with me. Peace.